Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default language in Excel. First, let's get started by opening your Excel application. Once it's open, you'll want to find the File tab, usually located in the top left corner of your screen. Click on File, then look for options at the very bottom of the left-hand navigation pane. This will open a new window. From there, select Language from the list on the left side. Now, if your desired language isn't already listed under Office Display Language, you'll need to add it. Simply click the Add a Language button. A new window will appear, presenting a comprehensive list of available languages. Scroll through, select the one you wish to use, and then click Install. Excel will then download and install the necessary language pack, which typically takes a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the language pack is installed, you can set it as your preferred display language. Go back to the Office Display Language section, select your chosen language, and click Set as Preferred. This changes the menus and commands. Next, under Office Authoring Languages and Proofing, select the same language and click Set as Preferred again. This ensures your spell check and grammar tools align with your chosen language. For all these language changes to fully take effect, it's crucial to completely close and then restart your Excel application. Once Excel reopens, take a moment to verify that all the menus, commands, and dialog boxes are now displayed in your newly selected language. Also, confirm that your proofing tools, such as spell check, are working as expected. Remember, regional settings for numbers and dates are often controlled by your operating system, so you might need to adjust those separately in Windows if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.